Buenos días, padres. Continuamos con matemáticas y ahora vamos a representar problemas o historias que nos van a decir si va a ser una suma o una resta. Okay. Aquí está el ejemplo y como yo sé que muchos de ustedes necesitan ayuda con el español, como son cuentos, esta página va a ser en español. Yo se los voy a leer a los niños en inglés, pero ustedes en español cuando lo hagan independientemente. Okay. We're going to problem solve, guys, okay? We have our balance again. We're going to use our add-ins to create our addition or subtraction sentence. Okay? Steve has 7 cards. Lamasi has 6 cards. How many cards do they have in total? So if we see here, we have how many cards? Well, we have counters, but it's supposed to represent cards. 7, very good. How many blue? Okay, now if you notice there's nothing on the right side, that means we need to draw. Okay, so the balance and our story match because it has 7 and 6. Okay, now let's write what our addition sentence would be. How do I know this is an addition sentence? It says how many in total. ¿Cuántas tarjetas tienen en total? Okay, so we have 7 plus how many blue counters? 6. What is 7 plus 6? 13. So on this side, to make my balance even, I'm going to draw 13 counters. Okay? As Miss is drawing, you're writing your number sentence, your addition sentence. Okay? Now, don't forget to write down our equal sign. Remember, whatever you have on this side, you must have on this side the same amount. Okay? Now this one's another addition sentence, so I'm not going to practice that one with you. I'm going to practice this one with you because this one is different, okay? There are 12 dogs at the store, at the pet store. 6 of them have short hair and the others have long hair, okay? So, how many? There's 12 dogs in the pet store. 6 have short hair and the rest have long hair. How many dogs have long hair? Well, I know my total. My total is I have 12 dogs. And 6 of them have short hair. Well, if I look at here, which one represents 6? My orange or my blue? My blue. And I know I'm taking away because it says how many have long hair. Well, I know my total and I know how many have short hair. I need to know how many have long hair. Well, remember, to balance this balance, I need to have the same amount on each side. So 12 minus 6 equals, well, let's see. I have 6 on this side. That's how many have short hair. Okay, this is all the pets, but I need to take away 6 because 6 of those pets have short hair, and I want to know how many have long hair. Okay, or you can just put a line through, okay, like this. Those are 6 right there. And how many are left with long hair? 6. Okay. Now on this one, remember you would need to draw. If it's subtraction, you need to take away. Next page. Okay. Now they're asking you, they're doing it again. Instead of giving you counters, you have to write the number. Okay. Padres de nuevo aquí, les quitan el dibujo y ahora quieren que escriban solamente los números. Si los niños que necesitan que hacer sus dibujos, lo pueden hacer. Okay. Aquí también pueden practicar haciendo las operaciones numéricas y es un poquito más difícil. Se utilizan 12 huevos para el desayuno de fin de semana. Se utilizan más huevos el día sábado que el día domingo. ¿Cuántos huevos se pudieron haber utilizado cada día? ¿Okay? So, nomás les da un número y tienen que averiguar cuántos huevos se utilizaron cada día. ¿Okay? Esto es para hacer que los niños piensen un poquito más fuera y traten de resolver problemas. ¿Alguna pregunta que tengan? Favor de mandarme mensaje. Gracias.